Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to TK Rev Studio today. We have Lenovo Thinkplus X15 Pro earphone. I'm excited to unbox and review it. Don't forget to subscribe for my future tech reviews and unboxings. Alright, let's talk specs. Switch songs. Triple-click the multifunction button. Switch songs. Triple-click the multifunction button. Switch game music mode. Press and hold the multifunction button on the right earphone for 2 seconds to enter game mode, and the voice prompt will beep twice. Press and hold for 2 seconds to enter music and audio mode. The alarm will sound ding-dong. Battery time. About 4.5 hours after fully charged. Charging case. The charging case can power the headphones for 20 hours. BT version. BT 5.4 for BT version. BT 5.4. Link in the description so you guys could pick this up for yourselves. That's it for the unboxing and review. If you like this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.